All right, we are going to start then on Employability Skill Workshop for Teamwork. I am Evelyn Seiler. I'm the Applicant Outreach Manager for ICAT. With me today is Bernadette Duncan from Math Squared and Miriam Klein from ICAT. So the employability skills that we have divided into 4 groups: communication, professionalism, critical thinking, and teamwork. In this workshop, we're addressing teamwork, and it is designed to identify what makes an individual a good team member. Teamwork as an employability skill is how you relate with others. This workshop will cover adaptability and flexibility, reliability, conflict management, and networking. Adaptability and flexibility. How do you respond to change? How willing are you to do more? Being adaptable and flexible means you understand that work needs often change. Sometimes they change rapidly, and you are willing to adjust to meet these new circumstances. This can be a challenge if you are a completion-focused individual. If what you're working on gets interrupted, you need to be able to shift your priorities, focus on the new task, do an excellent job, and not show any irritation. Your willingness to do what the company needs when they need it done is adaptability and flexibility. Being interrupted, having priorities shifted, not by your own volition, can be very difficult for some people. So having that flexibility, being willing to bend a little, being willing to do a little more. Maybe someone is sick and can't show up one day, and you then need to take on their tasks. Being flexible enough to say, of course, yes, I can get that done, and not get angry about, oh my gosh, how could they be sick again? You don't know the circumstances. Don't make any assumptions. Let yourself be flexible and adapt to the new situation. Reliability. Can you be relied on to show up on time, complete the tasks assigned to you? Reliability is the quality of being trustworthy or performing consistently well. In any job, people count on each other to complete their part of a project. Success is a group effort. Your coworkers need to be able to rely on you to meet the expectations of the job. Conflict management. How do you handle conflict? Are you an avoider? Do you hide from conflict at every moment? Do you push it away and pretend it doesn't exist? Are you an accommodator? Do you give in to whoever is pushing back at you and not stand up for what you think should happen? Are you a collaborator? Do you work with others to find a resolution that everyone can accept? Or are you a competitor? Does your idea have to rule every single time? You may employ any 4 of these at any time, or you might have a couple that you rely on more. Figure out how that works for you with your relationships with others, and figure out how to work on some of the other ones to make your work relationships better. Conflict management is the process of limiting the negative while increasing the positive to reach an effective outcome. Dealing with conflict is part of any relationship. It is necessary to know how to navigate difficult situations, get along with others, and reach workable solutions. Another part of teamwork is networking. Your network is the people you know, how you know them, and what they do. As an apprentice, your network will start to grow. It's probably started already with some of your high school contacts and your instructors. It will continue to grow as you get hired by a company and you have coworkers with whom you then share information. It can be your fellow apprentices in your cohort. For some of our groups, we have groups of apprentices taking the same courses at the same college. This can be very helpful. And then there are your college contacts, the others that might be in your classes, your instructors there. These connections are resources for answering questions, discussing and resolving problems, sharing information, and commiserating about work. It can also be helpful for homework. Down the road, these connections can lead to job opportunities and solutions, whether you're looking for a job or you're looking to hire someone. In summary, teamwork as an employability skill is how you relate with others. Adaptability, flexibility, reliability, conflict management, and networking. Work on these skills. Identify the skills and work on refining these skills in yourself by spend time in reflection about your interactions with others, observe others and imitate those behaviors that you admire, practice and intentionally use these behaviors, and ask others to give you some feedback on your actions.